So you did get a hold of.
Huh?
So you did get a hold of actually. A hold of Papa.
Ask. Well, him not got talk.
Yeah, he put out a tweet saying nothing no go so.
Okay, well, I man say, any man, whatever, dead right there. So some guess means a woman then.
Remember say transmission talks around rampant and all that.
Alright, so for immediate release, Unruly Entertainment addresses issues surrounding Freedom Street with promoter Skatta. So Javi mentioned that the bans was approved, but you dismissed.
Okay, I never answered that question. Let me answer it.
Yes.
So, man, for them, you can boy there. You can't tell me if you understand myself.
What Joe did have to say about that?
You not even understand people. You're a magnet. So if 200 people want to forward it, me not tell yourself to bring the 200 people, but you have to bear in mind that you're going to a place that has specific areas for artists. If every artist decide to bring 100 person, you're not making this area for artists.
So you did get a hold of.
Huh?
So you did get a hold of actually. A hold of Papa.
Ask
Story, I understand what I say.
Yo,
Bob.
Nation, it's about Adrian back in the building with another episode. And before we get into anything, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend to watch a video. And subscribe. Let's check out this big bad artist, Dropper Dan.
But when me I go for my money, me serious and I laugh.
Game face.
One move, done move. Me want more money. 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 I where the ghetto youths want more money. I where the girl them want more money. So everybody want more money. We want more money. We want more. Gone for my dreams, I'm gone for my goal. No. You keep the silver, I'm gone for the gold. Fast car speed off, I'm gone for the toll. Me not scan the girl, them we gone for the goal. Cause a big actor, gone for the role. Me gone church, so she gone for the soul. Go on to school, just go on for go know. Cause it's a money tree, me you want for go grow. Me want more money. 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 I where the ghetto youths want more money. I where the girl them want more money. So
how are the bomba clad? How are the bomba clad ones here?
There we are, salam.
Madam B, him send me the request.
Comment investigator.
When me see the name, me I say, Ashalam that him say.
Oh, stop. And then him come in a matrimonial home.
Well, I'm Mr. Wema said,
Follow me up. Salam, follow me up, man. Say.
I want to see the real one.
Me say, Shalom, go over there, cha iron, you know. Nothing in the world could ever pull off. I don't care. Hold on.
Nation, Shalom wasn't having it. He get into the hot topic Skatta interview on the fix. So, Skatta came to clear the air with him and Popcaan at Freedom Street. The little scuffle were going backstage, as y'all know. So, Skatta came to clear the air and the fix in regards him and Vybz Kartel holding the mic, where you see that little part where Vybz Kartel take the mic from Skatta. A lot of people didn't like that, you know what I mean? They must say, yo, Vybz Kartel is really a changed man, because if I did one time, it would be a war right there. But me so happy that it never got so far. Let's take it.
Oh, you start a fuck.
Yeah. Yeah. So, we saw where you had the microphone and when Kartel came to you.
Yes.
Now, people interpreted that footage when we put it out at a certain point where it looked like, to some people, like you are taking the mic from Kartel.
Right.
But that wasn't the case, was it?
Well, I wouldn't have a reason to take a microphone from Kartel. Kartel already had his microphone from the start of the show.
Yeah.
He had one microphone assigned to him, tuned to his vocals. However, TJ saw me with the microphone after the disrespect and said, Skatta, please don't say anything.
Yeah, TJ message there first.
Yeah, me never did have a talk. No, me never did that. No time did I raise my microphone to my mouth. No time. I had a radio in my hand as well.
That's what happened.
Yes, I had the radio.
Okay.
So I had the microphone in the left and the radio in the right.
Okay.
And probably me switched them around that time. But I didn't raise the microphone. I wasn't he thought that I was gonna say something
Yeah.
because I said, TJ, this is a disrespect still now.
Yeah.
And TJ says, Skatta boy, we work too hard. Please don't mash it up. And he might say that.
Yeah.
May I listen to him words?
Yeah.
So I'm going to sit down with the microphone.
Yes.
But the microphone did feel like me I hold on a lifeboat. Because I don't have nobody I hold on. Because the man said that to me, I feel like me a drown.
Oh.
It definitely
So
seems
it's
so
like
because
that
as
emotional-
much as Kartel
Yeah.
tried, I was not getting that
Yeah,
microphone.
bro, I swear to you. Me hold on the microphone, it feel like it a give me power. So when TJ say, yo, give me the microphone, me see say the microphone valuable. So the more them ask it, the more me say me have to hold on pan it. What make it worse when teacher come and reason with me and then little Sykes me see my edge to it and then he might touch it and me say, oh, teacher want it too.
Out of context, that sentence sounds crazy.
I swear, no. So everybody want a microphone, yeah. Everybody want a microphone, yeah. So I start feel like if me lose a microphone, me I gonna lose all power.
Yeah.
So I start holding on the microphone even tighter. Not to realize how hard me I grip it. I never know say Kartel I grip off. I swear I never know. You understand me? It's after me see the footage, me realize that him did that try to take it. And
Yeah, like
me hurt, you know, me
Yeah.
hurt. So me I squeeze it now and I try bury it and I say, Skatta, hold it. Yo.
So wait,
Right.
at no point did you plan to say anything like
No man, me's not that person.
on the
I
topic?
think I would have, me know I mash up the show. I remember me's not an artist, so I don't know how to articulate back a subcamera for somebody. And I wouldn't want that neither.
Yeah.
I don't know how to articulate a disc this verbally to an artist. You can't win them verbally. But I just make myself look stupid.
What Kartel they say to you?
That's a Skatta. We are January, you know. Like him say, we are January people. I know what I go on in your head, you know. I swear that him said to me. January born, I know you're Capricorn. No, him say Capricorn. Him not say January.
Yeah.
He say we are Capricorn.
Nation, a lot of people who was watching live was having a problem because there wasn't no ban at the Vybz Kartel Freedom Street show. But Skatta Beryl saying it's Vybz Kartel doesn't want a ban.
Right, but me I tell you, when I look on the faces of the people, it was a good reassurance.
Yeah.
The decision to not use bands. Let's talk about this.
Well, that decision was Vybz Kartel.
was Vybz Kartel. Now we see the first practice footage included bands.
Yeah.
So
No, it never really include bands. No, there was a band in the room.
Oh, the
The band-
instrument.
Yes, the band wasn't being played. But Vybz Kartel made up his mind that this is how he wanted to start. Understand me? We had faith in him that he could pull it off. A lot of people will have their opinions about bands, but don't forget, you have two different demographics. You know, the young people them don't care. Majority of them don't care.
Yeah.
A lot of the people them know with a different level of appreciation would love to see that. But the decision was his anyway. And what we did, okay, there's no bands. It's gonna be music playing, or just make the music be to the best quality and make the stage look like it was an orchestra. So the lighting and the activity on the stage and all of that created a live atmosphere. Don't forget, you know, this was not sold as a stage show. It's a party. It's a celebration. So if you're gonna ring in the new year and so forth, there's certain elements that does not have to be ruled in. You don't have to go cultural with everything. You still can set it up like a party, because there's a lot of big festival that is held in Europe that has nothing to do with bands. It has tracks, and them have like the punk rock festival them with just EDM type of shit. It's tracks and whatever, and those are the biggest party, 60,000 people.
Stadium shows usually have bands.
Right.
Some of the time, because it is hard.
Tracks.
It's very hard, you know, to tune the sound in a stadiums, in a lot of stadiums. The acoustics are never appropriate.
Chris Brown did that. Chris Brown wasn't.
Yeah, them did use bands. Man.
Chris Brown was probably partial bands.
Yeah, they used both.
They used the tracks and probably like a drum and bass.
Yeah.
That's it. To give it live feel.
So it wasn't necessarily Down Sound's decision to omit the bands.
No, and I hear talks going around. I guess you're gonna get to that eventually. So me leaving if you ask me.
Sean, Skatta Beryl also mentioned chroniclaw. Skatta said he didn't like how Law Boss told himself he behave himself. Let's take a listen.
Jabs.
So based on what happened, is there any possibility of you working with Chroniclaw or Popcaan again?
Let's talk about chroniclaw for a second.
All right.
I don't know chroniclaw. I've probably spoken to him twice, and he's always with respect.
Yeah. Because he's performed at some fest, right?
No.
No? Oh.
The first year he was booked.
Javelin thing, I think.
No. The first year he was booked, the backstage got overrun.
Okay.
Right? Too many people backstage and the show was running behind time. And what happened was they locked it off before the 6 them could have performed. And we have to respect Montegonians. They just walked out of the venue.
By the way, stick up in, that was the reason why the show was stopped.
Yes.
Freedom Street was stopped because
what?
The backstage and the whole thing.
No, I think
was it time or was it?
No, something was technical. It was a technical thing.
Okay.
It was a technical thing.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a technical thing. But we were running a little bit ahead of time still, or behind time, sorry.
No, because you were supposed to schedule at
10 and it started 11. Exactly. So, a few factors.
To be exact.
But we're still grateful still because the police allowed us to go far.
Yeah.
But however, Chroniclaw has never performed on our Reggae Sumfest before.
Okay.
Right? And we've always reached out to him. So the disrespect what Chroniclaw hurled at me and Joe,
yes.
I don't know if the place it, I don't know where it come from because me don't know Chroniclaw. And me and him probably talk 3 times. And it's always been respectful and him always reason back with me respectfully. See? So for him come and I hurl them insults and now it make me wonder why go on with this youth?
I think it's maybe Popcorn and I guess him caught up
so.
into Popcorn.
I think so.
Yeah, because the two of them they caught up into it
yeah.
because the videos that I saw it was Popcorn and
well,
Chroniclaw.
this when I a little youth up on a mic I tell me to understand myself. Me understand myself and you not understand yourself because what reason you have now? Me not know you. I honestly don't know Chroniclaw. So you hurl insult at somebody who you don't know and somebody who don't know you. Or you hate somebody or you praise somebody who don't know you. It don't make no sense. That kind of division there, just find where the source of your resentment come from, brother. Me really want to know. Because if you look upon somebody as a grown man and I tell somebody if you understand themselves, why? Because you want to bring a couple people round a backstage in the national stadium and the police them and say, you know, can't come with so much people around here. So. But you say you do this for Vybz Kartel. If you do something for Vybz Kartel, do it for Vybz Kartel, but not come on the stage now and kill the energy.
You are the rhythm yet? When they are for Vybz Kartel, me I talk straight. Me not there for some white boy and a Rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skatta behavior. Joe behavior about buckle yourself. We there for Vybz Kartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy. Play me rhythm.
No boy, I can't be my friend. I'm in the damn
I want to do
this story. I understand what I say. Bob, Skatta and Joe them, give Andrew to them, Popcaan and chroniclaw them, fair amount of band. But when them reach at the gate, them bring another 100 and extra 50 man. You see me? So no I go Freedom Street. Why couldn't they go buy out some ticket then? You overstand what I say, everyone say on a rich and a powerful. That they are law boss and that they are a Popcaan me attack. We don't know apology. Why you go up on the stage now when you know Popcaan and chroniclaw say uno wrong and a uno trick on yourself in front of yourself. A system dog put a hype attack off him mouth. When you dip on the ground I know nothing go. Before you go talk about ready it sound, I make ready it sound get some booking. Every day you get up and attack a bag of load and you say yo boy put a hype. You want a real system dog and you know say Skatta. I don't know system dog nor Joe. Cause them man they are some real man. The only reason I did burn them shirt, you know. Cause Ding Dong broke down the fence. Skatta and give I rightful justice now, but we look over that situation and overstand the situation, you know. We don't know apology, you know. So what we see, Popcaan do and we chroniclaw do disrespect. Skatta Burrell mother we in a hospital in a serious situation. Me not gonna talk about the in sickness what Skatta Burrell mother have and Skatta Burrell's son. Dep on the ground and the inner show. I wanna try them the type of disrespecting there and go on with a bag of Anansi story. Me know that system that look on what they in a Popcaan keep in show, you know. And Tentic say something simple, you know. You understand what I say? Where Popcaan do not go drag out the mic out of Tentic and and Kartel does keep Freedom Street. When he come off go up on Freedom Street and I tell Skatta them the type of indecent language there. Say yes, it's a popcaan I want system dog, him and chronic law, and they ain't real. I look chronic law use couple slang for I still, but I care zero. Cause remember say you know boss yet in a law boss. You been knowing in a Jamaica, you know. Remember me Mr. G British I tell you say you know boss yet, you know. You see like how me been knowing down at China, Japan and South Africa. You see me? And Cameroon.
Big man for them little boy there. You can't tell me if you understand myself.
What Joe did have to say about that?
Joe not even understand where I go.
Joe still eating food. Joe still eating food. I
No, listen.
I'm just here minding my fucking business.
This is what I tell yourself. This is what I say.
Yo, all I ever say, I'm never working with these niggers again. You ever say that?
No. We would have condoned. No, bro.
I'm never
no, seriously, we would have condoned that.
I'm never working with these niggers.
No, I would have condoned that. Seriously.
Yeah, better
Never.
Better not.
Hell fucking no.
Exactly.
But in the have conversation with us, like, what go on and like, how
yesterday, me and Joe talked for the first time on the show. Yesterday, me see him for the first time. Can go cock up down a country somewhere. You know what I mean?
Cool.
So yesterday, me and him reason. And him said, what the fuck went on, man? I heard.
Skatta, what the fuck happened?
Yeah, I heard you fuck. You know what him said to me? I heard you fucked up the show.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watching. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean? Until next time, guys, we out.